The blockchain is digging in for the long haul, as are major monetary power promoters, digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. With progressive algorithmic skill, the experts have been working really hard to track down approaches to developing a computerized resource that holds an incentive for making installment, not simply in conventional cash move stages-based exchanges, yet all online business-based exchanges too. Before we start with definite Telcoin cost forecast, how about we really look at outline of the coin? Discussing online business-based exchanges, there isn't a moment to spare. Consequently, fast-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment environment become an essential. Telcoin has been made with the sole goal of a multi-practical and multi-purpose benefit of moment global cash moves to bring soundness and address the availability issues in the digital money scene. The Tel biological system is given to opening the capability of DEFI for everybody. The venture intends to convey a strong and secure organization while bringing in cash moves simpler and circulate these items and administrations through telecom suppliers to cell phone clients worldwide. There are almost multiple times more cell phone clients than dynamic ledger holders. In any case, individuals depend on significant expense settlement specialists. Why sit around idly in cash when Telcoin is here? Telcoin, the Telvantage, worked as an ERC20 token on the Ethereum organization. Telcoin assumes a critical part in multi-chain exchanges. Telcoin has turned into the cynosure of dealers and financial backers, the same as ideal installments are ensured through perfect exchanges in the e-com circle. A larger part of administrations of money and coordinated administrations beginning from DEXs, loaning dApps, to numerous others can be effortlessly gotten to by the organization's True Wallet, Telcoin wallet application for Android and iOS clients, and existing versatile wallets. For installments, incorporating Telcoin empowers settlement of installment at whatever point, any place. The affirmation of such exchanges gets handled in a small part of seconds. This occurs because of quicker blockage times, wherein the charges are the most minimal. Telcoin empowers decentralized trades to offer speedy and economical exchanges for their clients. Coordination with Telcoin assists clients with confiding in a completely dependable source and that their financials are not altered. Acquiring credits of strong speed, scale, absolution, and security from Ethereum Telcoins are practical and blunder-free. In the expressions of Paul Neuner, Telcoin pioneer, and chief and blockchain master Claude Aguinta, Telcoin president Paul Neuner said additionally evidence individuals wherever are worn out on overpaying for fundamental monetary administrations like settlement and that they are prepared to move to another, decentralized stage like Telcoin. Telcoin has additionally been effectively associated with crypto local area joint efforts. To use greater versatility, Telcoin establishment assumes a critical part in open contributions, and the token Tel is recorded on different trades. The Telcoin establishment likewise has created applications for supporting the Telcoin convention of blockchain calculation. In light of our Telcoin Tel cost expectation for 2022, a drawn-out increment is normal. The anticipated cost for 2026 is 0.10014. With a 5-year speculation, the procuring potential is supposed to be around plus 1,034.59%. The base cost of Telcoin can go up to 1 cent in 1 year. Telcoin is set to have a bullish cycle and procure a benefit for its financial backers. The Telcoin cost is estimated to reach 1 cent by the start of December 2022. The normal greatest cost is 2 cents, and the base cost is 1 cent. The Telcoin cost forecast 2022 may be around 1 cent, which will make it a productive speculation. In light of our high-level specialized examination device, the drawn-out Tel cost expectation for 2022 isn't bullish. It has an enormous chance of overwhelming its ongoing all-time high of 1 cent this year. The next few years will bring future conceivable development time for Telcoin digital money. As per Telcoin cost figure, there would be an expansion to the collusions and new mechanical arrangements that will raise Telcoin Tel cost to 2 cents on the live cost graph in first 50% of the year 2024. It is deplorable that the Telcoin digital money on the settlement market is by all accounts showing a negative disorder. The bears will nail it down like other crypto Goliaths as well. Telcoin Tel cost might frustrate its financial backers, cruising scarcely at a typical Telcoin cost of 4 cents in the primary portion of year 2023, and that too with trouble. Telcoin value expectations, 2022 to 2026. Telcoin has for quite some time been a panacea for application designers. Answers for certifiable issues like cash moves and circulated finance have been found in view of Telcoin. Telcoin cost today remains at $0, a market capitalization of $305,598,791 with an ongoing exchanging volume of $3,127,670 and a coursing supply of 59.9 Tel. Starting from the start of this current year, the Telcoin token goes up against other cryptographic forms of money. Telcoin costs decline greatly when contrasted with the last year. How about we take a gander at the crypto cost expectations for Telcoin, which can assist its clients who with needing to trade Telcoin. Telcoin Value Forecast 2022, keeping up pair with a similar cost pattern. There is Telcoin estimate that the cost of Telcoin is ready for recuperation in 2022. Following the moving example, as per Telcoin Cost Forecast 2022, particularly the manner in which it is exchanging inside the declining channel on the day-to-day graph, it is apparent that Telcoin cost also will address further prior to enrolling any critical cost development. It would reach to a base value level of $0, greatest cost to $0. Telcoin Value Expectation 2023, going by the investigation of more limited and longer cost patterns. Almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the start of 2023 may not be ideal for Telcoin's development, particularly with rivals making up for lost time and intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is an expectation 2023 possibility of Telcoin that is anticipated before. There won't be a cost drop, however, reach to $0 more. The typical cost in the year 2023 would be $0, greatest cost would be 8 cents. Telcoin Value Forecast 2024. Yet again expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist and that bulls will ride the digital currency market. It is normal that Telcoin will manage the crypto realm with an exhibition of cost fixed at $0 view of the most well-known specialized pointers. This is comparable to the very that was anticipated toward the finish of the last year, which shows Telcoin can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances. Telcoin Value Expectation 2025. It isn't not exactly incredible information. What started the cost of Telcoin with $0 end with the 1 cent mark. Subsequently, it has helped the market opinion peculiarity definitely. Dealers and financial backers have begun wagering on long-haul Telcoin cost development, following it intently. Telcoin cost could cross 1 cent by December 2025. It will be productive to purchase Telcoin at the ongoing cost to acquire critical benefit constantly and it would reach to a base value level of $0 most extreme cost of 1 cent. Telcoin Value Forecast 2026. As per Telcoin estimate, the cost could reach to 1 cent in the year 2026. It will most likely cross the cost of Telcoin to what it will be in 2025. The typical cost in the year 2026 would be 1 cent and most extreme cost would be 1 cent. Telcoin Value Forecast 2030. As indicated by our Telcoin cost expectation, the Telcoin worth will exchange with a typical cost of 2 cents. The normal most extreme cost, least cost will stretch around 0.024 and 0.022 separately by the primary portion of the year. Tel Crypto Cost Expectation expects constantly and Telcoin value equivalent to 2 cents will go with Tel tokens a brief decision for a decent return. And Telcoin Value Forecast 2026 and then some. After 2026, Telcoin is anticipated to outperform 1 cent by all means founded on the Telcoin specialized investigation of the digital money trade aggregator, predominantly in light of the fact that after 2026, no significant variables like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economies, and it is